Hello everyone, welcome back to AK Coding channel. Today is the next day of learning HTML, actually 5th day, and in this video you will be learning about HTML lists and which are like ordered and unordered lists. So if you haven't watched our previous videos, so just go to our playlist and watch from the first day. If you're ready, let's get started. So as you can see, we have HTML lists which are like ordered and unordered lists. So what are lists actually in HTML? Lists are used to group the items or information in a structured way. So as you know, for example, if you're going somewhere or if you're planning something, you have to write a list, right? So we have two types of lists in HTML. The first one, as I mentioned, is ordered one, and the second one is unordered lists. What is ordered and what is unordered? So as it's like, from the meaning of the word, you can realize that ordered lists are numbered lists and unordered lists with bullet lists, so which helps to present data clearly. We'll see with writing a code on Visual Studio. So let's go to our Visual Studio code. So we'll open a new file here. I'll make a bit bigger for you in order to see better, and I will write lesson5.html, and we have a new file, right? So we will create our main structure of HTML, and then we'll write the UL. So we have, for example, OL tag, which stands for ordered list. I will comment here. And we have UL, which stands for unordered list. Unordered list. So OL and UL are both of them, or there is like opening and closing tags. So inside of OL we can write LI, which stands for list, the word list, right? So it's easy to understand, I think. So if I want to write something, for example, I will write Monday, for example, right? The days of week, Monday. So I will copy paste. The second one is Tuesday, and next one is Wednesday, right? And next one I can write Thursday. So Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So Friday, and this one will be the Saturday, and the last is Sunday. So in order to see this like result, we have to open in the live server. So I have already taught you how to install the live server in our Visual Studio Code. So we can see here from 1 to 7 we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. As you can see, there is numbers before each before each word, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with dots, right? It is putting automatically because we have OL. If I remove this, it doesn't work, and change it to bulleted one, you see? And this called UL. However, if we don't have OL, if we are writing only LI, which is list, it only default executes the code with unordered list. So for example, if I want to write something inside of unordered list, again I have to write li, and I need to write the code For example, we can write some vegetables. First one maybe carrot, which I like, right? And the next one, potato, right? And the next one can be onion, and so on and so forth. And as you can see, we have like with bulleted lists because we are writing inside of ul tag. So you understand what are lists, okay? So, and we have nested lists in HTML. Oh, I'm sorry. Maybe I did it in a wrong way so that it's not visible for you. So I will show you in our code. So what is nested list? Nested list means like you will write ordered list and unordered list together, which means instead of ordered list we can write unordered list. How it works? Let's see. So I will just comment all of our code that we wrote before. So just okay, and now we'll write with nested lists. So I will write first ordered list, right? Inside of ordered list we have unordered list, and if I write something here, for example list and hello, for example, and instead of this I can write li, hello. So what do you think the output will be? So the first hello will be with number, so we know this because we are writing inside of OL. However, after OL I'm writing UL inside of OL, and instead of UL I have li. So what do you think? This hello 2 executes unordered or ordered? So this is a bit tricky, right? So let's see the output. The output, as you can see, we have hello, which is the first one is with number, but the second one is with bullet list, but it's like, as you can see, it's not default bullet list because we nested it, and the output, as you can see, different. So what do you think if we do reverse? So we have UL, right? And inside of this I will write OL. And how it works? So it is the same. For OL, if you nest instead of UL, it doesn't affect it. But as you can see, when we nest it, we have some spaces here, right? So if I nest more instead of UL of the OL, so what will happen? So I will just copy and paste. So wait, I'll copy. We have 3 times, and as you can see, it is returning the same value, I mean the same index, which is 1 1 1. But you thought before it should be 1 2 3, but it's not, because we are writing separate OL lists, so that's returning 1 1 1. So this is a bit tricky tags. So I think you learned something new for today, and I will tell you about some takeaways and practice to do at home. So use UL for unordered lists and bullets, and OL for ordered list numbers. And list items are added with li. And practice creating an ordered list of steps and an unordered list of items, and try nesting one list inside of another one. Thank you for watching for today's lesson. If you have any further questions, you can comment and I will try to respond one by one. Thank you.